Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in the account you want to change. Log in, then go straight to Settings and Privacy, Settings, Security, and Login. Once there, select Use Two-Factor Authentication to view methods. This shows active phone numbers and apps. Make sure you have the phone or the Authenticator app that currently receives codes or one of the printed recovery codes, because Facebook will ask to confirm ownership. Once you confirm, you can begin removing the number. The system requires reconfirmation to prevent account takeover. Now remove the phone method. Under two-factor methods, tap Edit or Remove next to the phone number. You'll be prompted to re-enter your Facebook password, and then Facebook will send a confirmation code to that number or your Authenticator app. Enter the code to prove it's you. If you rely on an Authenticator app, make sure you have backup codes or add a new verification method before deleting the number, because once removed, you may need those backups to regain access. Finish by confirming removal and checking the two-step methods list. The phone should be gone. Make sure you keep at least one active method, an Authenticator app, trusted contacts, or saved recovery codes, so you don't get locked out later. If something goes wrong and you can't sign in, use your saved recovery codes or initiate Facebook's identity verification flow. Alternatively, contact trusted friends if you set that up. If you still face issues, wait and retry from a known device to reduce security flags.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.